Dan King of Boatshed on board this Beneteau Evasion 22 pocket motor sailor. Turning to port, there's a galley, a gas cartridge rather than cylinder is used for the burners. The owner reckons that this traditional radio set is better to use than the new VHF DSC radio he has by the companionway. A trusty Garmin 128, so common and popular on older boats. He's not so keen on the chorus navigation equipment. Turning to starboard, typical caravan dinner arrangement, giving a double berth. The covers over the windows are homemade. He wanted something easy to clean and affording privacy. Held on by press studs. Moving forward, there's a Javsko sea toilet. And a fore cabin. The wood and the plastic here are original and slot into the companionway, but he never uses them. Opposite the heads is the wet locker. Lots and lots of storage all over the boat. Underneath this divan is a water tank, which he says he's never used. It's one of those plastic tanks, non-rigid. And here is the hatch that gives access to the front of the engine. Being of French design, there is even somewhere to store your wine. Good forward vision. For a 1983 boat, the upholstery, the engine, the condition of the hull and mast is a credit to its long-term owner. And this boat will be ideal for somebody looking to trade down to a more manageable boat, or somebody who is new to boating who wants a manageable and convenient in bad weather motor sailor.